Anthony Leeuwenhoek, one of the father of microbiology, says that there are more animals living in the scum on the teeth and a man mouth than there are men in a whole kingdom. Welcome to my channel, Warina's Academy. Today, we will be discussing that how microorganism was discovered and by whom it was discovered. This is part B, while in part A I have discussed what is microorganism very elaborately. So if you want to watch part A, I have shared the link in the description. The existence of microorganism was hypothesized for many centuries before their actual discovery. People believe that there are certain organisms, although we can't see it, but they are causing disease. They are changing the civilization. By this minute organism, the Aztec Empire is conquered by Spanish people. Let's understand the topic in chronological order. Lucretius and Guillermo Fracastoro suggested that disease was caused by invisible living creature. The creature that we can't see, but they are causing disease. Here they are giving us information about that when they were born and died. 98, 55 BC and 1478 and 1553. The earlier microscopic observation appeared to have been made between 1625 to 1630 on bees and weevils by Francisco Stelluti using a microscope probably supplied by Galileo. When I say microscopic, it means that microbiologist uses microscope to study minute organism. But up to this time, no microorganism was seen by any person, not by their naked eye and not by their microscope. 1665, the first drawing of microorganism was published by Robert Hooke in his book Micrographia. Using a compound microscope of his own design, Robert Hooke observed, described, and drawing the structure of a mold. This was the first time that a person draw a microorganism. Before, no one has ever drawn a microorganism. However, Robert Hooke did understand the nature of these microorganisms as living entities. Anthony Leeuwenhoek. He was the first person to publish extensive, accurate observation of microorganisms. Anthony Leeuwenhoek earned his living as a trapper and haberdasher, but spare much of his time constructing simple microscope composed of double convex glass lenses held between two silver plates. Leeuwenhoek microscope could magnify a microorganism up to 300 times. Beginning in 1673, Leeuwenhoek sent detailed letters describing his discoveries to the Royal Society of London. It is clear from his observation that he saw both bacteria and protozoa. As important as Leeuwenhoek's observation were, the development of microbiology essentially languished for the 200 years. Little progress was made, primarily because microscopic observation do not provide much information to understand their biology. Discipline to develop techniques for culturing and isolating microorganisms for their environment and grow them into laboratory were needed. Many of these techniques began to be developed as scientists grappled with the conflict over the theory of spontaneous generation. This conflict and the subsequent studies on the role of microorganisms in causing diseases led to what is now called the golden age of microbiology. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.